Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hold a phone call on your iPhone running iOS 17. So as you notice, when you make a phone call to someone on your screen here, you do not see the hold button. So let me show you how to put the call on hold when you are talking with someone from your iPhone. So to put a call on hold, you need to go ahead and tap on the mute button and hold it. You need to hold it about 5 seconds. Once you do that, the mute will change into hold and that call will be placed on hold. To remove the hold, go ahead and tap on the plus button and that will bring back the call between the two parties. So that's really simple. Just go and hold on this mute button for 5 to 6 seconds and then the call will be go on hold. To bring it back, go ahead, tap on the pause button and that will bring the call back as normal. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.